Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm here with my another video. A mixed type of heels which looks really beautiful and amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty heel. It's in a transparent kind of thing that makes it more beautiful and more amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very nice black color heel. It's in a very unique and pretty design. And as you see, this one is also very nice. It looks really beautiful and casual kind of black heel that makes it more beautiful and more amazing. And this one is also very pretty. It's in a very nice feather kind of thing on the top. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful. It's in a black color and very unique kind of thing. And watch this video till the end. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you'll never miss any new update from my channel, and you'll get notified and updated whenever I post new video. And mixing heel types is all about experimenting with different styles to create a versatile shoe wardrobe that's both functional and fashionable. You are not just limited to one type of heel. You can mix it up with a stiletto for a night out, block heels for a comfy day look, and wedge heel for summer vibe. The key is to balance the look. Pair a bold heel with a simple outfit or vice versa. You can also play with textures like pairing sleek pumps with chunky sandals, or mix heights like low wedge with high stilettos for added visual interest. Whether you're going for edgy chic, corporate cool, or boho vibes, mixing heel types lets you express your style in multiple ways. And here are some ideas like monochromatic mix, pair different heel types in the same color for a cohesive look. Thick black stilettos with black block heel. And like combine smooth heel with textured one, like sleek pumps with chunky aspidal, and mix high and low heels for visual interests. Try pairing ankle strap heel with low loafers, and switch heel type based on the occasion. Stilettos for formal events, block heels for everyday. Some popular combos like include stilettos plus jeans plus leather jacket, and platform stilettos plus sandals plus flowy dress. And mixing heel type is a game changer for elevating your shoe game. It's all about experimenting with contrasting styles to create a look that's uniquely yours. For instance, pairing dainty stilettos with chunky ankle boots adds an edgy touch to a feminine outfit. Or teaming sleek pumps with rugged wedge sandals give your look a cool laid-back vibe. And don't be afraid to pair with proportions. A flowy maxi dress looks awesome with statement block heel, while a fitted outfit pops with sleek pointy heel. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video. Bye bye.